When you take a look at the amount of enthusiasm, what are we seeing here for KakaoBank?
Good morning, Heidi. So, KakaoBank, the first ever mobile-only bank to be listed in South Korea, quite a significant event, has been seeing huge demand for its IPO stocks in its share float, more than like 1,700 times oversubscribed, and the bids have drawn a record amount of money from institutional investors. So we're seeing that this is going to make the 2021 another record year for the South Korean IPO, and it's going to be one of the second largest IPO share float this year, just after Krafton, the mobile game developer. So KakaoBank has been set up in 2016, but it was able to garner more than 13 million users, monthly active users, which is more than any other traditional financial banks have been able to. So once it gets listed, it starts at the third largest in market value, but it might be able to overpass two other larger financial companies.
So what about the regulation side of things? Because we have seen Korean regulators become a little bit more active recently.
Yeah, so the financial watchdog, Financial Services Commission, have been intervening in some of the IPO process this year. KakaoBank was lucky not to get such intervention, but its affiliate Kakao Pay and companies like Krafton, they were asked to revise their prospectus. And for the case of Krafton, they had to lower their IPO size by more than 1 trillion won. That's close to 1 billion won. And that reflects ongoing concerns about some of these companies might be able to value themselves too high. And for the case of KakaoBank, it has not compared itself to local financial retail branches, retail lenders, and instead it picked companies like rocket companies or other overseas mobile-based banks as their peer groups.